Okay. Accidentally turn off the video. So that is the Pipi Kului. You see all the new growth. It's beautiful new growth here. Unfortunately, there are no sign of fruits this year from this tree. Last year I got like a few, I think maybe 2, 3 fruits. Okay, and then don't know what happened to the rest of the seeds, but this is the one that grew out of that seedling. I mean the seeds from that PPK. And then you can see here, I don't know how these cherimoya seeds got into the pot, but they are starting to grow out like crazy too. Okay, so basically I want to show you guys, or I want to record this for myself as well, so that you know next year I know when the new growth are which month, so I know how to plan it better. Okay, and then I have some loofah that I'm starting out as well. So this is my pergola. And I have dragon fruits climbing up there. And then at the bottom here, I know rats, they love to eat these loofah vines and leaves. So I started getting some, cables and make a second layer down here as a, a chairless kind of thing for them to climb. So it'll be 2 layers. The top layer is, just dragon fruit only, and the bottom layer is for the gourds to climb. So looks pretty good right now. The loofah, very healthy. Just put that, took that out of the greenhouse and transplanted into this pot here last night. This is Malaysian guava. Okay, so this is the other lemon zest. So we just finished all the new growth. This one here is the macadamia. So this new growth coming out. So the wood stock here is what is it? Manila, and I grafted. Don't remember what they are anymore. Those what I grafted onto. So here is another view of the lemon zest. It's doing really well. New growth. Yeah, all these were new growth not too long ago. Last year I got about maybe 10 fruits. This year, no flowers. Maybe hopefully these will be flowers, or no. Okay, that is the longyon. Okay. So we're gonna go take a look at the other mango tree. some more cherimoya. And here is the other one. You see all the new growth? And then this is the other cherimoya. Looks like you got some more fruits up there. Few left. That's the soursop. That's a yang mei. Yang mei right there. It's another yang mei. This one is coffee. That's coffee right there. Oh, forgot. Here's another fruit from this tree. It's getting big. I'm not so sure if it's ready yet. Okay. So, yep, crops all over. So that's a dragon fruit. See, this is the trellis. Below the trellis, I string all these cables together and make it into a, a trellis for my loofah. See this? Here's another view. I have to go on the side. Crops. Oh, that's the chestnut right there. It's flowering right now. Look at all the flowers. See? Look at all the flowers. That's chestnut. Oh yeah, this cherimoya. I guess that didn't work, the grafting. So I have to cut off some more. Try it again. This one same thing too. None of it took. So I have to do another one. I bought this manual lawnmower. I guess there's no lawn now to mow. Watermelon. I duct taped this trellis here for the watermelon. So watermelon's doing really good. Should be able to harvest next month or so. Oh yeah, let's go see the other chestnut. The flowers here are so much better too. This is the other chestnut. You see the flowers? Beautiful flowers. Wow. Probably 10-year-old, I think. 9-10-year-old. I planted in a pot because the root. I heard the roots is very invasive, and I don't want it to be too big. So there you go. Yep, more crabs.